My video guide will provide you with instructions to get rid of the intrusive advertisements coming from the site News-cokopi.cc. News-cokopi.cc. It's a very malicious website currently attacking Google Chrome, Firefox and other popular browsers. The website indicates that you need to click on the Allow button in order to watch some video, but in reality, whenever people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on Allow, they may be forwarded to some other deceptive website, some filthy website that may not be suitable for the younger generation. And on top of that, people may start facing a lot of disgusting advertisements that may be shown in the right bottom part of the computer screen. So, if you have mistakenly clicked on that Allow button, you need to fix these issues to stop these ads from attacking your screen. Go to the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then in Permissions choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. Once you find this News-cokopi.cc, be sure to click on this button and remove it from the list. The principle for fixing other browsers is basically the same. Now, I also recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application and begin checking your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect other threats that could be possibly concealed on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protect it against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware. And as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So, enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.